How to add contacts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. It will navigate us to the Contacts Lists page, which organizes your contacts into different lists for easier access, like all iCloud or any custom lists you've created. Tap on the list where you want your new contact to appear. For example, all iCloud. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon to create a new contact. Over here, type in the first name of the contact. And then, scroll down and tap on Add Phone to add their mobile number. You can now enter the phone number. You can also add other information such as email, pronouns, address as shown in other sections. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. You have now successfully created and saved this new contact to your phone. Following these steps, you can easily add a new contact on an iPhone.